and it is the capital city of Nepal also. Different types of festivals are observed here. And the jatras of Kathmandu are quite famous. Do you know some of the jatras of Kathmandu? Yeah, one jatra falls in the month of Chaitra. That is Ghode Jatra. In the month of either Sawan or Bhadra, that is Gai Jatra. And in the month of Baisakh, there is Ropai Jatra also. Remember? Yeah, Nevas, they know it. And one Jatra falls either in Bhadra or
Ashwin.
Ashwin. What is his name? Indra Jatra. Right. And what about Indra Jatra? Have you ever been to Vasantapur?
Yes.
So it is a lovely moment over there on the occasion of it. So we have to be well known about all those jatras as well, because that is local festival and local government gives sometimes holidays on those local festivals, right? So on the occasion of Indra Jatra, our school will remain closed tomorrow. Okay? So they are very excited. They are very excited to hear about the holiday. Actually, the holiday is not given for you to waste the time. You can focus on it, focus on your studies, practice, and do well. Okay, attention.